I've been working hard to create cartoonish-like stickers for my portrait art academy as rewards for finishing the lessons. Don't worry, this is not the kind of style you will be learning. This is just for fun.
Ah, so it is a bonus reward.
Yes, get something for nothing.
You are not a real artist. A real artist take pride in their work. They put in the real effort.
Oh yes? Well, I'm kind of a dopamine addict anyway. And that's what they're for. They're there to make you feel like you're making progress. Which you are. I drew them with pencil, then I drew over them with a marker, erased the pencil. Then I scanned them on the computer and colored them in with Photoshop.